don't know. No one's ever tried to fly higher than base camp before. They're going to give it a go. You find an LZ, just mark it out with whatever you can.
Okay, worth a try. Thanks, guy.
Yeah.
Grab a Gatorade. Got a chopper coming in. We need to make an LZ. We got a chopper coming in!
Clear everyone back to the tents!
Thanks. Keep it clear. Keep this whole area clear.
Come on, come on.
Army 4-5, keep updating. Look tower, we're doing fine.
It's not possible. You land here, we'll never get back up. Get it.
Okay, Major, let's go back.
That's it.
Can't get any more out. It's as light as we're going to get it.
Start going, Major.
Jai got a cutting.
Jai got a cutting. I'm going to lift the tail up, flies over the edge. Follow it until the plates catch on there. Is that okay with you?
I'm with you.
Good man.